coming to you after the liquor barn visit. Here's our gameplay at Bowling Green, the Mint Gaming. As you know, this is based on horse racing, supposedly not your traditional casino slot gameplay, even though the machines look just like casino slots you see anywhere else in the US. But here's our gameplay. Hope you enjoy watching us play, as we did leave with nothing but a to-go bag of food. We need them multipliers. Pop it. Keep sending it there. Give us some money. We needed one more for the 5 times. Come on, you can do it. Give us money. Thank you for the spins. Some more extra spins. Thank you. Some more extra spins and money. And multiplier. That thing should be ready to pop by now. Thank you. Come on. We need some more. We needed that 5 times. Oh, we didn't get it. That's right. Come on. Really? Like 3 coins should automatically. Right. In the bonus, it should. Yeah. That should be like a power pop. Thank you for the free spins. We need it. Come on. Okay, we don't need no more red because you ain't giving it. So you just need numbers, multipliers, and more spins. Thank you. You have heard me. 360. Look at that. We need some more spins. That's what, $10 almost. And yes, I do occasionally tap on the screen, but I don't go crazy or overboard like other people that I see. I am fully aware that these gaming slot machines or casino slots are going to pay you what they're going to pay you at the start of any bonus or any spin. So do not come for me in the comments. I'm just sharing my play at the gaming center near me and when I travel. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy. I really do like the Triple Sparkle game. When it is hot, it is a very nice game. You can get very big wins. My very first time ever playing this machine, I was on the dragon version of it, and I won the major, the one in the purple. And I didn't even know what was going on, but to my surprise, I had won the major, and I was hooked ever since. So I always try to find one of these and play it wherever I go. slow down them letters and words. Oh, we just needed one. Yay! Finally! That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Yes, do it again. Almost. Do it again, again, and again. Pop the other box. You want something to drink? Thank you. Oh, we could have rather get the guy. You would have got paid more for the guy. Leprechaun. All right, come on, turn up. Da, 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 da. Since we didn't get him, we got to turn up now. Shoot it, da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Turn up this last spin. Pop it, pop it, pop it. We'll take it.
I was hoping it would.
Right, that last spin pop would have been flyer. Alright, starting out with 50. Money mover, Tiger Prize. Alright, here's a pro tip. Whenever you start a game, you want to look at the play payouts because you don't always have to bet high. On this machine, the dollar bet is higher than when you bet the $1.50 when it comes to winning the grand the grand. So always look at those screens to see what might be your best play amount. So you don't have to always bet max or high betting. You can bet low or medium. It just depends on what the payout is. So why would I pay $1.50, play $1.50 per spin and get like $200 less if playing $1 gets me $200 more on the major or on the minor? So you always want to pay attention to those things. Thanks so much for watching to the end. Like, subscribe, and good luck.